Are your Hoya cuttings rotting before the root or taking forever to grow? Then today, I will be sharing the best soil mix to propagate Hoya cuttings with updates, which will give you around 90% rooting success with any varieties of Hoya cuttings. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why soil mix matters for Hoya propagation. Hoya plants are epiphytes in nature. This means they naturally grow on trees or in very airy environments, where roots receive plenty of oxygen. So when you propagate Hoya cuttings, the main goal is to encourage root formation without suffocating the stem. If the soil holds too much water, the cuttings cannot breathe and bacteria start attacking the tissue, causing rot. So, the perfect propagation mix must provide three things: high aeration, moderate moisture retention, and fast drainage. So here is the simple propagation mix I use to propagate the Hoya cuttings. First, adding 1 part clay pebbles or leca. It provides aeration, improved drainage, and hold slight moisture as tree barks do. Then adding 1 part coco peat. You can use peat moss instead. It helps to hold gentle moisture around the cutting. Then adding 1 part compost or worm castings. It will provide mild nutrients for early root growth. Next, adding 1 part charcoal. The pieces are around 1 to 2 mm. It mimics the natural epiphytic environment and also improves the drainage. Then adding 1 part partly carbonated rice hull. It improves drainage and moisture holding capacity as well as prevent compaction. You can also add orchid bark, cocoa chips, perlite or pumice. This makes the soil more breathable and fluffy. So this is the combination I have been using to propagate almost all varieties of Hoyas. It is light, airy textured that keeps the cutting hydrated without drowning it. Here is the science behind this mix. When a Hoya cutting starts rooting, it produces tiny adventitious roots from the nodes. These roots are extremely delicate and require oxygen for cellular respiration. So here I have set some Hoya cuttings to propagate. Keep the soil slightly moist but never soggy. You can cover the cuttings with a poly bag or you can use a container box to maintain the humidity and place the pot in bright indirect light or under grow light. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you should start seeing new roots, which is the best sign that the roots has begun. I started some Hoyas from cuttings about 3 weeks back, and this is the update. 90% of cuttings have roots, and since I have provided high humidity by covering the cuttings, it also increased the success rate. Remember, Hoyas prefer an airy epiphytic style mix, and once you give them that environment, propagation becomes incredibly easy. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Also support this channel by subscribing.